So guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very important home remedy. This is scent leaf. Everybody know about scent leaf. Scent leaf is very good in the body. Can wash your system, clean your system and everything. See scent leaf. And this is moringa. This is moringa leaf. Moringa is also good for the system. Can reduce BP. When you have BP, high blood pressure, you can take moringa every time and reduce it. If you want to add lemon, you can add. If you want to add garlic and ginger to boil it together, you can put it, can add and boil it. But I'm going to boil scent leaf and moringa for body system, to wash my body system. So this is what I will do. I know it's very, very good. That's why I want to share it to my people, so that if you don't know about it, you try it. Moringa is everywhere, scent leaf is everywhere. So you wash it very well. You use your salt to wash it, because you don't know, because of the germs. You wash it very well. You make sure you wash it because of the sand. You wash it. The moringa, you can even boil it with the seed. It doesn't need the stick. It doesn't mean anything. And make sure you wash it very well. Then you put it in the pot, add enough water, boil it like 15 minutes. Then you bring it down, fish it inside cup, then allow it to cool, to warm, not too cold. Allow it to warm, then you drink it. Take it morning and night. Take it for good 1 week. You see how your system you clean, you get yourself, your BP will come down, and you enjoy yourself, your stomach, everything will come down. Every yama in your body will be flush out, and you become free. And you reduce fat, you burn fat again. So I advise you guys to try it. Buy it and try it. If you don't have it in your compound, you can go to the market and buy it. I plug this one for my compound because I have it in my backyard. So it's very, very good. So I'm going to boil it now. After washing it, I'll boil it like 15 minutes. Then I'll bring it down. Put it inside cup. Maybe half glass of cup, or you can take full glass. Cup like this. You can take full of it. Like this. You can take full of it. It doesn't need. It's not bitter. It's not doing anything. Just drink it like water. Take it morning and night. Last thing in the night, after taking your dinner, you drink it before you sleep. Take it for good 1 week. You see the work of moringa and scent leaf. You will be very happy. You will enjoy yourself, your system, your stomach, everything will work. You will be free. You won't have any stomach pain. Your fat, everything will be burning down. Thanks for watching. I'm going to boil it now. Thanks for watching. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't go without subscribe, like and share. And click that button. You see all my videos. I have many videos there. Thank you for everything, for sharing my video, for like my video, for comment. I really, really appreciate you. You guys, I really try for me. I'm still begging you guys to keep on helping me. I need more of my attention, and I know God will bless you people and your family. Thanks for watching. We meet again in my next video. Let me boil it sharply and drink it. I love you guys. Bye.